In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the attachment field in Airtable. First, head over to Airtable's website and sign into your account. Once you're in, open the base and the specific table where you want to work with files. If you're new to Airtable, a base is like a project, and a table is where your records live, similar to a spreadsheet tab. Next, prepare a place to store your files. You can either add a brand new field or repurpose an existing one. To add a new field, look for the plus sign at the far right of your columns, or open a column menu and choose to insert a field. If you're selecting an existing field, make sure it's not already being used for something important, since we're about to change its type. Set the field type to attachment. This tells Airtable that this column will hold files like images, PDFs, videos, or documents. Once you've chosen attachment, confirm by creating the field or saving your changes. You'll now see an empty attachment column ready for use. Click into any cell in that attachment column to get started. You'll see options to upload from your computer. You can also drag and drop files directly onto the cell if that's faster for you. Airtable supports multiple files in a single cell, so feel free to drop in more than one item when it makes sense, like several photos for a single product or related documents for one project. After you add your file, wait for the upload to finish. You'll see a progress indicator, and then a small thumbnail or file icon once it's done. If you're uploading large files, give it a moment to complete before moving on, and consider compressing very large media to keep your base responsive. Now that your attachment is in the record, you can open and preview it right from the cell. Click the thumbnail to view it in a larger window. From there, you can flip through multiple attachments, download a copy to your device, rename the file for clarity, or remove it if it was added by mistake. Drag files within the cell to reorder them so the most important one appears first. For images, you'll see handy thumbnails. For documents and videos, you'll get a viewer when possible, so you don't have to leave Airtable to check the contents. That's it. By setting a field to attachment, uploading your files, and managing them directly in the record, you keep everything organized and accessible for your team without jumping between tools.